This is the start of our lesson, Module 2, Introduction, Management, and Economic Aspect of Feasibility Study. The cover letter of your feasibility study should be look like this. The introduction of your feasibility study should be look like this. Let's start with the introduction. Form yourself into 5 groups and ask what will be your possible projects for feasibility study. A feasibility study makes your mind think and analyze because you are actually preparing a business plan in the future. It makes your minds to think logically. A feasibility study is like preparing a narrative, a marketing plan, and business plan. It should be prepared through careful planning and analysis. Do not forget the table of contents of the feasibility study. Prepare at least 2 to 3 pages for your introduction. So your introduction should include the following: the general info of your possible business, your group thoughts why you want to make a feasibility study on this kind of business. So it should be at least 2 to 3 paragraphs. You need to introduce the name of your business, why you want to pursue this feasibility study, when and where you will possibly do it, how you will do it, and you need to make an effort to carefully plan it and to make it more reliable and successful. To become effective, you should include what will be the possible effect and impact of your feasibility to the society. You also need to consider the related literature of your proposed feasibility study. Your introduction should be at least 5 to 10 pages to make it more reliable. Aside from your introduction, you also need to include the management aspect of the study. So, management aspect or analysis. In order to achieve the efficiency of the business objective, management aspect should prioritize the overall operation of the business. Management aspect is significant to the form of ownership, financing decision, organizational structure, personal management, operational management, and some management related to this study. Organization chart is also needed. Under management aspect, we have the manpower analysis. The part of feasibility study deals with the process of estimating the level of skills, professionalism, and number of employees to be hired by the business. The salary scale, incentive, and pay package are also estimated in this point. In studying and researching your line of business, you are expected to get a good idea of the technical skills required to successfully run the business and how you can source for such skills. For example, if you need starting an automobile repair and maintenance workshop, part of technical skills you would need to be able to run a complete auto workshop are auto mechanical skills, auto electrical skills, panel bearing skills, and also marketing skills, among others. Your business plan should be able to point your areas of strength and weakness, thereby affording you the opportunity to make possible to either acquire the technical skills required to upgrade your existing technical skills. Under management aspect, we have first include the management of the project. The students who are going to prepare feasibility plan should include how they will operate the business, organizational structure, your possible capitalization, the kind of ownership, and the possible organization chart for their project. It should also include the possible duties and responsibilities of them and the employee that they will going to hire. Under letter B, we have the timetable of the project. The student should prepare the timetable of the project from the start of the project up to the time they're going to end the project. Just think that this is a real feasibility study of a business you want to open, so you need to project your business up to the time that this will be a possible opening of additional branches. To include the economic aspects. Running a business requires deliberate actions and plans to make the business succeed, and part of what you need to do as an entrepreneur if you would want to build a business with a solid foundation is to ensure that you conduct economic analysis to your business from time to time. I believe this is where your feasibility study should start from. What is the essence of carrying out market research or even going ahead to start a business when the economy of your country or state does not favor entrepreneurship or private ventures. So simply put, economic analysis, it is a strategy employed by business owners to effectively and optimally allocate and make some use of the scarce resources available to them in their business. An effective economic analysis will ensure you that you start your business on a positive footings because you will help you to maximize the resources within your disposal with little or no stress. Under economic aspects is the market study. Proper economic analysis is done before you start executing your business plan. You'll realize that you will only spend more time and resources on the most important factors that has the potential to make your business profitable. So under contribution to the economy, we need to analyze the economy that will help to align your planned business with the economic situation on ground. So, economic feasibility should include analysis on the government, fiscal and monetary policies, opportunity cost of resources, social costs, import and export rate, inflation rate, tax rate, levels and duties, currency exchange rate, etc. Here, you also need the help of the professional like economists, which help you to review your economic analysis document. So, conducting a thorough economic analysis before starting a business will enable you to start and run the business with little or no pressure because you would have succeeded in taking care on all the areas that you are likely going to get pressure from. This is the end of Module 2, Introduction, Management, and Economic Aspect of Feasibility Study. So we're through. So we only need to have Module 3 to 5, and then you can start your documentation